Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Za Fashion. Today I have received an order from my customer to customize her dress. This is her design that she came up with. The blue fabric was provided by the customer, adding the white cotton lace on the main skirt as shown in the picture. Adding the lace line by line till I finished the design look. As the front skirt was completed by the lace look. Repeating the same process for the back skirt. Gathering the 2 layers of fabric to attach it by the end of the dress. Gathering the fabric by 1 inch on each pinch. You can mark the fabric by 1 inch. Making the pleats till I get the frill of 36 meter. Although the design shown in the picture is for the adult one, but the customer wanted it for her 6-year-old kid. Done with the stitching part. This was her design. And this is how it turned out. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Follow Z.A Fashion for more.